In this video, I'll demonstrate how to share a document in Google Drive and control access to the document by setting an expiration date to the document. I'm logged into Google Drive. This is an educational account. I have my file uploaded already, and I assume that you know how to do this. Then you right-click, and then you choose Share. At this point, you can add here other users to access this file. So I'll pick distance learning staff. You could add more users as well by simply clicking in this box and then entering their email address and so on. Now, in this case, I want to give this user only viewer access. So I click here on viewer access. And then on the drop down on the right, notice that there is also an option for add expiration. And then notice it's going to apply a month from today by default. However, I can go in here and change the expiration so that it expires, let's say, by the 15th of May. And then I'll press Share. Now, if you needed to change the expiration, you can right-click on the file itself and then click on Share again. And then next to that individual's name, you have this icon as to when it expires, along with a permission. You can either remove the expiration or update it as necessary. If you like this video, please press like, subscribe, and then click on the bell icon.